Johnny, so you're a group. I say, the one go to the right, so you're a group. Now one sprint around, all the way, end up around here. So. Nice curve. What? Yeah, just it so hard, all the way to the middle one here. So. Yeah. I see you work the right side. You go that direction. That's it. So you must come to the next side. When you come back, Johnny. No, sharp. Get around here. That's it. Yeah, that's it, Nana. All the way around. Yeah, all the way around. Well done, Johnny. Good. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Trying to deep the water now. Once you do two, deep the water and get into the old video. That's it. Get around. Yeah, all the way around. Well done, Nana. That's it. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Two touch! Right! Watch out! For it! Yes! 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we're full. Go over there, go over. Come on, guys. Oh, yeah, yeah. 12, 13, 14. Yeah, we're full. One more. Press it. This side. Yes! 5! Inside! Yeah, good. Sifa! One more. Come on! If I knew it before now, I would just give it to Greg. We never do that before. We're all listening to us counting. How much on the last one?
I share the comfort. Come take piece out, man. Take piece out. Me nah rush, man. Take piece out, man.
But yeah, shit, no. I'm glad I won't go down this thing. Because I feel like I did this and I'm going to go upstairs go fix that anytime.
Because you know say that it tend to hide it, right?
Yes, I look about it. Watch that.
Alright, so